540 calories of heat convert 1 cubic centimeter of water at 100 degrees Celsius into 1671 cubic centimeter of steam at 100 degrees Celsius. Both are at 100 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 1 atmosphere. Find the work done against the atmospheric pressure, nearest multiple of 10. We need to express the answer, and that also in calories. Here 540 calories of heat is required. And we know that this 540 calories of heat is nothing but the latent heat, if you remember. So here water gets converted into steam. The water volume how much? 1 centimeter cube. And the steam volume is how much? 1671 centimeter of steam. So therefore it is very clear that the expansion is equal to 1671 minus 1 is 1670 centimeter cube. That is 1670. Let us convert it into meter cube, that is SI unit, into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. And this is against this atmospheric pressure, which is nearly 10 to the power 5. Everybody knows that. Now here we need to find out work done against atmosphere. Work done against atmosphere, this work done will be nothing but pressure into change in volume. Let us say the pressure is 10 to the power 5. I think you people will be aware of, that is atmospheric pressure is 1.013 into 10 to the power 5. I am approximately writing it as 10 to the power 5, and the change in volume is 1670 into 10 to the power minus 6. So it comes out to be very nearly, let us say, 167 joule. Now we need to express it in calories. So this is 167 divided by 4.2 calories, which is almost 39.76 calories, which should be expressed in the nearest multiple of 10. So let it be 40 calories. So 40 calories of work is done against this atmosphere during this expansion process. Thank you.